Alright, so I've got the infamous sticky button situation. To be honest, that's really my fault. I drink an absurd amount of coffee, and like all New Englanders, we all drink an absurd amount of coffee, and it wouldn't be a surprise that to me to see that, a lot of my clients in the past have had this situation before. So let's get right into it. To remedy this situation, we do have to take off the center console cover. So to kick things off, let's grab this piece of leather trim underneath your heel, pull that off, stow that away from the side. Now, for this section of the leather piece marked FC, there's going to be two Phillips head screws. They're kind of hidden away. Take those out, and then grab a plastic pry tool. Let's try to get underneath here, and jam it underneath. It's held in by clips, so don't worry about it. And you're virtually doing the same thing on the other side. There's two Phillips head screws. Take that out, pull it out, whatever you have to do. And then there should be a hidden one right underneath here somewhere. You really can't see it, but there's usually one holding the center console to the base of it. So after that, what you want to do is grab a plastic pry tool again. Let's see. And shove it right under here. Oh, sorry, loose. And start pulling up the center console cover. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we got that loosened up. We do have to put the transmission in gear so that we can lift it out of the way. Obviously, you're not going to do that with the transmission in park. So we're going to key on here. Foot the brake, obviously. Shifted it preferably into drive. And then you lift it out so that it comes out clean. And then once you do that, obviously go ahead and disconnect all the connectors on the back side. There's like 5 of them. It should be easy, and then your center console will be free. As you can see, I've got my center console cover out. It's got all the fancy buttons attached to it. So we're going to flip this over. As you can see on the, we'll call it the mouse pad for now. There's a couple of Phillips head screws holding it in. So what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew these 4 black Phillips head screws. We're going to take the module out, and then we'll start disassembling it from there. Alright, so now that we've had the touchpad module out, I just wanted to give you guys a look of what we're dealing with here. And as you can see, for a car that's, as of today, 9 years old, quite a debris has been picked up and left in between the crevices of the buttons. So, of course, I've already taken the liberty of taking the buttons off. You can really just get them off with a couple of flathead screwdrivers, nothing hard. And at this rate, all you're really doing is thoroughly cleaning the slots for the buttons inside and out as best you can, preferably with soap and water. Try not to use any solvents, as you don't want the paint to fade on the buttons, and then you have to get a new one. So, but other than that, once you do that, you're really just reassembling the whole thing once again, doing everything but backwards, and then that'll fix your sticky button problem.